We're basically watching as we digitize more and more of our everyday activities. Everybody is collecting more data. Data's value is increasing.
The challenge we have is not aggregating data to build a siloed system, but it's how do we integrate data across many different systems to make better decisions at the speed of the business.
When law and data intersect, it just simply doesn't scale. The compliance burden on data keeps increasing. Almost every day, a new law, a new regulation is either enacted or proposed.
And that was why we had to create Immuta, a scalable platform that will be able to connect any of your data and allow any user to self-service and be able to prove that they've complied with regulations.
A good way to think about Immuta is a live filter on the data. So today I might be accessing the data for marketing purposes, and that data will be filtered appropriately and probably hide more from me than usual, where I could switch contexts, and that Immuta layer will then filter the data appropriately for what I'm supposed to see when I'm doing that job.
There's really 4 steps to successful automated data governance. The first is we need to be able to connect to any data source on any infrastructure anywhere.
We don't make a copy of the data, it's simply virtually referencing it in place. So it's very easy to just hook in your data sources from across your organization.
The second is the ability through our UI, no code, anyone of any technical know-how to apply any regulation on top of that data.
And build policies very easily through plain English builder that anyone can understand.
Third, we offer access for any user to self-service and gain access to all of this regulated data.
Self-service allows anyone to actually come, get the data they need, and then be off and running in their project.
Then the fourth piece is how do we prove that they've complied?
Auditing is essential. If you're not capturing what's being done, you can't prove compliance. And we, by acting as this thin control layer, we standardize that.
If you can govern your data legally and ethically, then you can build trust with your consumer, which ultimately leads to a sustainable business. Immuta is very simple to get running and to start using it. The hard part is actually thinking about there is a completely new way to truly govern your enterprise data.